Today's how-to is all about connecting with others at PWX 2018. As you're walking around, you're bound to meet other attendees and speakers, so we have added a networking feature to our app. These enhanced tools allow you to write yourself notes for individuals you've met, swap contact information, send messages, and even set up meetings directly from the app. Please note you'll only be able to connect with other attendees that have set their profile to public. If you're interested in learning how to do this for your own account, watch our downloading and logging in tutorial. To begin, press the directory button on the app homepage and search for the attendee you just met. Once your search results appear, scroll until you find the attendee you're looking to connect with. There's a possibility that the attendee's name will be grayed out because their account is set to private, but you can still request to connect with them. Once they change their profile settings, a notification will appear with your request to connect. However, if their account is already public, you'll be able to read their contact information and use the following tools to interact. First, there is a Notes option. Here you'll be given a blank screen where you can quickly jot down any notes you have about the attendee. This will be very helpful if you need to reference topics you've discussed or just keep track of follow-up materials you might need going forward. Next, you'll see the in-app messaging tool. Click this to start a conversation with an attendee. The recipient will have to manually accept your initial message, but after that, you can continue your conversation just as you would as if you were sending a text message. You'll also see the Add tool. Press this option if you'd like to swap contact information with a fellow attendee. Finally, click on the Meetings tool button if you'd like to set up a time and place to meet with a fellow attendee. This can be a great tool to help set up business meetings or even for social meetups in the evenings. Similar tools are also available on the homepage. After walking the expo floor, feel free to explore the Exhibitors extension, or after listening to a speaker, hit the Speaker button to connect.